What's going on? Started. Spurt? Spurt spelled that way? Gotta be something with RT at the end, huh?
eBay entered into agreement to acquire TCG Player for up to $295 million. That's Echo Bravo Alpha Yankee.
Ooh. Set? I use two E's though. I get moves and I get the S in there. Why not? At least we got. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. I can't even think of a word now. Where the R has to go in one of these. But it can't be. Can it be IT? Barrett? Beret? Well, we know it's not an either. That'd be a waste. Barrett? Barrett? I don't know. Like, Errett makes sense, but what can go in front of it? Wear it? Garrett? 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 Like, I don't even... they always throw funny words in there, so I don't even know. Barrett. Barrett. Merritt? Merritt? I thought that was a name. Is it like... I thought Merritt had two T's. Maybe not. Isn't that something that they use in the army? Like you just got a merit? I honestly don't know what that is. Is this it? Wait. What is a merit exactly? Quality of being particularly good or worthy. Oh, yeah, I guess it makes sense. Like you deserve merit. Okay. It's kind of silly, I guess. Probably should have known that. I feel like that's just not a word that's used very often. What's up, Looney? Good morning. Good morning. Stop now. Stop. Stop now. Really not much going on. There was something going off earlier. It was SMMT. That thing was annoying. Yeah, this move here. It was like in my ear nonstop.
Benzinga market update just ahead of the open. S&P futures down 52.50. Dow futures down 358. NASDAQ down 196.50. Crude is down $2.67 at $87.83. Gold down $14.70 at $17.48. 20. Bitcoin futures down 110 at 21,120.
Hello, motherfucker.
Hello, motherfucker. What was with the AMC news? Somebody said it in the Discord. Due to to the dividend? Isn't that being released today? No, I think somebody was speculating. That's why. Maybe it was something to do with dividends. I don't know. I don't think it was a split. Just looks like a dump. I know BBBY wasn't doing well earlier. And they're still down there. Wow, it's like time to go. Good morning, everybody. Good luck.
Good morning.
Hell,
5 seconds.
freaking out, bro. Said 5 seconds.
No,
35.
Did you think you said 5 too?
I did not. I
How you
mean,
doing
let me
today,
correct
Sam?
myself. I did think he said 5 seconds, but I knew he didn't mean it.
Oh, okay.
And if he did, then he should probably take a break before we get started here.
Before we get started today, oh,
You are apparently not ready for this.
not ready for Monday.
Secondary ticker.
WYY,
Ape.
Y Point subsidiary, I2
That's
authorities
not
awarded
real, is
new
it?
managed services
You better be
provider
ready now.
contract. That's
It is
Whiskey
time.
Yankee Yankee.
But they're literally trying to put a second ticker in called Ape. Are they literally
US market's
trying to
now
bring
open.
crypto
Calm out, boys, 'cause I have no clue what to look at.
crypto
IMPX and
into
Exxon
stocks?
achieves
'Cause
FCC ISED
AXSM just jumped
certification.
how would that be anything but a
Establishes CE status
big
for
rug
Pixon
pull
Swarm
pump
Chirp
and dump
V3.
stock?
That's India November Papa
No
X-ray, INPX.
Saba 88K.
Hey,
SNDL and VLNS. SNDL announcing agreement to acquire the Valence Company
Blue's
for
going up, but
$1.26
there's not
per
really
share
a-
in stock. That's Sandy November Delta Lima
Watching blue.
and Victor Lima November Sandy.
Autofilled.
Blue.
not enough for me, man.
I thought I could hear it. I have no problem with you watching me.
Shares of Valence were hoarded.
Hang on, sitting
were
at
halted
604.
earlier ahead of
Didn't
that
quick it
news.
down there. I started blue, by the way.
ESUN Golden Sun shares halted on a circuit breaker. Golf Sandy Uniform November
Luxor.
at the lows 37.03, down 27%. CANO, Kano Health getting a pop here on a Deal Reporter article speculating on possible the stock as a potential takeover target. That's Charlie Alpha November Oscar.
Not twice.
It's got out of blue.
Still sitting at 604. It went to 606 that time. Can't get the the actual 6 test.
The H is moving, but
TH up.
Yeah.
Spread
Volume.
everywhere.
Yeah.
TH.
Had a little more volume and the spread wasn't so crazy. Probably would have got in. What you watching, Devin?
Order filled.
Starter TH.
Carrot.
This one is annoying.
DCT, Giga Cloud Technology, halted on the way down at $52. That's Golf Charlie Tango.
Kano up.
Order filled.
A lot of TH.
TH dollar dollar.
That was a good win, man.
TH dollar on way.
Order cancelled. Order filled.
Blue
Outmost on
dollar
blue.
on way. Blue dollar dollar.
AMC changed its name to Ape. Is that accurate?
No, apparently they're trying to come out with a second ticker called
Okay.
Ape.
Because it's open.
Dividend stock.
Well, a dividend stock. Guess I should have just took all blue.
Could have been like me and covered 100 more shares and was in long and blue and didn't realize it.
Order filled.
TH.
Wasn't that
What?
good? It went back up.
GSUN
Yeah, I
resumed,
didn't realize that I was
trading
at
after a
610. It
circuit
wasn't
breaker
like I caught it at the bottom at 6.
Out blue. Rev 51K. Enks.
You
Disregard.
got up, Jag.
PDD.
I want to look at that. Not a for me yet. This hasn't been such a great start. No.
Watching ENVX.
GSUN Golden Sun halted on a circuit breaker now, bouncing off the lows at 39.97, down 21%. That's Golf Sandy Uniform November.
Order filled.
ENVX nibble.
Starter in ENVX.
Carrot.
Order filled.
All out.
Dollar there.
APE
Dollar.
halted on a circuit breaker, Alpha Papa Echo.
Oh, Ape is actually a ticker today?
AMC
Yeah, open.
preferred shares.
Wow. How is this even a thing? Like, how is that not going to be just labeled as a pump and dump stock?
I just got out of PDD. Yeah, I don't know. That's what it's
Nice one, Jag.
I got in a little too early at the beginning, but I got a decent ad.
Ape HTV obviously. That one will be a perma avoid.
Jeez, today's a nail and bail kind of day, guys. Every ticker I got in, it pulled back and went right back to the highs.
Everything giving that pullback then right back to highs.
Watching blue again, see if it can get a little crazy.
Blue back up.
Maru for a bounce. Nobody else is gonna look at that but me, but I'm not looking for nails and bills. I'm looking for fucking sinking dies.
Did you get back in PDD?
No.
AMC halted on a circuit breaker at
PDD always scares me. Gets my blood
$11.80,
racing.
down 34%. Alpha Micro Charlie.
I guess AMC is reacting to Ape.
PDD is always a fucky chart, man.
Yeah, what? AMC's halted, right? Yeah.
Well, instead of doing a 2-to-1 stock split, they did one AMC, one Ape.
That's, and I can't believe that that was allowed to be put on the market.
It's because they used common shares instead of, I guess, some whatever.
It's just, I mean, to me, that's like you're almost like bringing a shit coin from crypto into the market. Like that's what it feels like. Wish this blue would get some actual
PUBM,
speed.
MGID partners with Pubmatic to enable brands to reach exclusive new audiences via a single platform. Papa Uniform Bravo Michael.
The NVX is back to high a day.
That's actually kind of a nice move.
I just wish it was an
ENVX
SSR.
back up.
Autofilled.
Nibble.
SUN resuming. Golden Sun. $40.89. Down 19%.
Penny.
And shares are
Who came down?
still trading now, 37.91. Shares
TH
of
back up.
AMC Preferred, APE.
TH back up.
A high of $9.83, now halted at $9.22.
Literally, ENVX, I took a little nibble. I put my take profit at 93. It went to 94. I can't make this shit up, guys. It's ridiculous. I can't imagine like if I had actual size. Blue, that one actually came right back down.
TH is back up too. It's kind of playing though. Ready.
Probably get a little bit more out of it now. Just don't want it to bounce off of this.
It's still in Veru.
And in Peru.
TH just kind of like stop them.
Autofilled.
Take it.
Lunch money.
Up again.
Re-ENVX.
Halted.
Ape.
Took off
It all
ENVX.
It's just gonna be a fucking halt fest.
My son is on my account.
AMC
Love you,
resuming.
Brayden. On my YouTube. He's typing it in.
And
There's
out
a
of Peru for a
$12
small loss. It's starting the day out red.
Alpha Michael
Fucking
Charlie.
fantastic. This is
Gonna have to get him his own account, I guess.
I shouldn't have probably fucking took him this trade, but
Farms up. Wow.
when I've gotten nothing fucking set up on the pre-market, I should probably just
AKLI
not trade.
resuming.
Let's see.
Alpha Kilo Lima India. The low of
CD.
28.58 now at 31.55. Alpha Kilo Lima India.
AMC open is going up.
Order filled.
Gonna halt up AMC.
Ticker CD. Took a nibble.
I don't like that volume.
And me.
Sorry, I said that out loud.
No, that's good. Trust me, I don't like it either.
It was a
but-
good when he says it, but it's bad when I say it.
Carrot.
No, it's the. How do we say it? It's the way you say it. It's not the
AMC
fact
halted
you
again.
Still
It's the way you
apologize because I shouldn't have said it.
I got you.
I mean, I don't disagree with him. What I was gonna say is it's okay because I like how it's straight up. Basically, it hasn't had even an attempt at a red candle.
Extension's still
Yeah.
pretty big. I got it on 1 minute. It doesn't have a green candle since it's sort of moving up.
I mean, red candle.
Red candle, huh? So,
Yeah.
I knew what you meant.
I am tired, dude. I should not be fucking trading. Yeah, I'll be back in a second, guys. I'm actually gonna just take a break.
All right, man. Go take a jog with the dog. Come back.
I like to see it around 850. But... What's your average on it? 820 something?
424. Were you talking to me or?
Yes.
Okay. I didn't know if the ticker Devin was at 8 something. No, if it's 18. He's out of this.
He got out of Rue, yeah.
I'm assuming he was short.
No, he was long. He actually lost a little bit of money.
Oh, so he was mad because it went up after he got out.
Yeah.
APE resuming trade. AMC preferred at $9.50 now.
You might get a good drop here.
And halted again. That's Alpha Papa Echo.
So this thing halted down, but gapped up and then halted down again.
Tucker?
Which thing? Oh, ape, yeah. Weird, right?
Something only a shitcoin can do.
AKLI halted on a circuit breaker. Alpha Kilo Lima
922.
India.
It literally it halted down
Shares at
922
the
and
lows now,
opened at 10
27.78.
Yeah.
and is now halted at 950. So it makes no
Yeah.
sense.
No, it's just all over the place. ENVX is high a day again.
Fucking SSR, dude.
I know.
Wait, when did that get on SSR?
It's been on SSR.
It's been when you traded, he was on SSR.
Really? Oh, whoops.
Time.
I didn't even notice.
I noticed.
I was like, okay. Go with your bad self.
I didn't even notice that. That's funny. I feel like I'd want like an actual move at this point. I mean, it still hasn't had a real pullback.
Go to lower day, Blue.
Is it? What's it
Go
doing?
home, Blue. You too good for your home?
I'm riding leftovers, average of 42.
Are you? Good job.
Yeah.
See, I was watching. I wanted it to get through 650 to go back. They go back
Watching
in.
ENVX again, but didn't get any on that little pop. CDLNT.
CD's working for you.
AMC
Yeah, I was hoping
resuming
for the
now,
8 test.
$12.35.
CNVX would have been nice, but it didn't really give me an entry up over the 21. It just kind of went through and came right back through.
And halted again on AMC. GRFX, Graphics Group,
AMC halted down.
spiking here on heavy volume now.
PRTY up.
Watching Party, PRTY, also SSR. Come on, CD, give us a nice little drop. No, volume is kind of crap, but
Right now it's bouncing on my 23.6.
yeah, I was hoping it would kind of shove through there, but
Like the 813. If it gets through, you got 8. Probably.
yeah, I'm definitely not gonna let this go against me.
No.
Not after that. I mean, that was a decent little pullback. I'd assume it's trying to do like everything else today and just go back to the highs. If it gets there. Did it keep going?
No, I made it down to 605. I had a trail in and it just jumped up and got me.
Sure.
7-cent trail.
VLNS shares to resume
Order
trading in
cancelled.
5 minutes.
I took it off.
Order filled.
I don't know.
At 10 a.m.
And Devin's done for the day.
I wonder
Victor
what would
Lima,
happen
November
to him.
Sandy. After that,
You had a
acquisition
long weekend
announced.
driving to Reno, 12 hours, windshield time, all that stuff.
Yeah, dropped his daughter off at college, so
All
he's
out
dead
CD.
tired. So
Blah wanted $8 test.
he'll be back later on.
Yeah, he'll be back in 10 minutes.
AKLI resuming.
If he hears something dinging like crazy, he'll an alert and he'll be back. CANO, maybe if it could pick up a little bit more.
Alpha Kilo Lima, India. At 28.94 now off the lows.
Still watching Party.
I have it up, but not really doing anything. I am watching Kano. I'd like to see it push up into the 60s.
Got it.
CANO, Kano Health hitting new highs now. Charlie Alpha November Oscar. After that, deal reporter story with speculation on possible takeover interest. Charlie Alpha November Echo.
You have shorts on Weber, WEBR. I don't know if it's worthwhile, but it's alerting.
Carrot start, go go go.
God dang it. Why did I not take it? I'm so confused why I did not take that.
Me too. I had an order at 562 and took it off. And then
I was just,
TAK.
I don't know what I was
Takeda's
waiting for. I was just like sitting there waiting to
Qdenga,
see.
a vaccine
I don't know. I just
approved
felt
in
like it wanted to
Indonesia
push a
for
little
use
bit more,
regardless
and it
of
just
prior dengue exposure.
it kind of did, but I
That's
guess I
Tango
was
Alpha
I don't
Kilo.
know. It's kind of bitched out.
yeah, me too.
Miss.
My fib ones told me I should get in around
AMC
562 to
resuming
568.
Dollar on way.
$12.06 now. Off the intraday high.
Should
That was kind of silly on my part. I even said I wanted it in the 60s. It went there, and then I didn't take it.
Yeah, I'm on leftovers.
What'd you get in at? What's your average?
60.
Yeah, that was right when I wanted to hit it, and I just didn't. Why? but I didn't.
AKLI halted at the lows now at $24.
Hopefully they'll go to 530, 30s for you, Thomas.
Former DNAA.
Yeah, now I hope it just dies.
Yeah, I got my take profit at 531.
Yeah. Do you have fibs up on it?
I have my retracement.
Yeah.
BBY just doing a little dead cat bounce.
I just posted up my my extension, fib line extension on it for you. So you can see how stupid I am.
I mean, I'd probably be out of this because I would have just had the starter on it, but still annoying. I didn't even take it.
BLNS resuming now. Victor Lima November Sandy Valens. Shares dropping to 85 cents. Valens being acquired for $1.26 per share.
Beyond is making a run back up.
THLNT.
That in a stock deal. CIDM Cinedigm launches Midnight Pulp Fast channel on Amazon Freebie. That's Charlie India Delta Michael and Alpha Michael Zulu November.
APRN 44K, SSR.
You still in that, Thomas?
Yeah, it's trying to get me. I have my I put a range order in at 54 by 23.
Yeah.
So it came to 53. I hope it was as a 10
FLGC,
and
Zach
dies.
Small Cap Research with a $4.50 per share price valuation on Florida
APRN,
Road, Foxtrot Lima
Again,
Golf
another
Charlie.
SSR one. It drives me crazy.
Kirk 56K.
ERFX. I looked at this one.
GRFX
Pretty sure I
39K.
did, and we didn't have any shares. One of the newer IPOs.
All out of Canoe.
APRN Blue Apron shares popping to the highs now, $5.44. Up 11.5% now, Alpha Papa Romeo November.
WEBR 71K. CD dollar.
CD Yetch.
You guys don't have shorts on WEBR, do you? Starting to notice
70K. Yeah, I was watching it.
SSR again too, though. Another one of those.
Yeah, there's a lot of them that are like this.
ERUG, Bright Minds Biosciences, some volume coming into the stock now. Delta Romeo Uniform Golf, up 9%.
AXSM, maybe, if it gets back up there.
Hoo at Guru David.
EBBY, Bed Bath & Beyond shares up more than 3% now at $11.39. Bravo, 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 Yankee.
Weber, why you gotta be SSR?
Why you gotta only have 70K shares too? Feel like I'd almost want to try to start it around here if we had plenty of shares.
DBNH, Greenbrook TMS
AXSM.
halted on the way
Giant
down on
fucking
a circuit
spread.
breaker. Golf Bravo November Hotel. Shares up 26%.
PRVA up.
Go back to the highs.
It's Def up, LOL.
In Canoe again.
Really want to take AXSM.
Shares of Graphics Group popping to the highs now, $4.05. Up 61%. Golf Romeo Foxtrot
Slow.
X-Ray. XOM, Exxon Mobil. Investors Business Daily.
Cano
Swing
back up.
Trader removing its full position in Exxon Mobil at $92.20.
6.20 please.
That's X-Ray Oscar Michael.
I'd be in right now. 53.
CDLNT.
See what happens.
You still watching AXSM?
I am. I just can't take it.
ENVX
I was
dollar.
like, man, that's looking extended. And then I looked down at the volume and I was like,
Yeah, I know. And the spread is all over the place. And
CD, you piece of crap.
What, did it come down now?
Yeah, it's at 8. I mean, I guess I could have used high of day, but felt like there was no point.
CANO went up higher than again, and then came down again.
Felt like everything was giving you that small little pullback and then going back to the highs, and that didn't feel any different.
Yeah. It's not gonna buy. See it. So, bad things are gonna happen. I do.
Carrot LNT.
AKLI shares off the lows now 24.65.
Right back going to the bathroom.
BBNH resuming after a circuit breaker halt.
Anybody get in AXSM?
Nope. The worst part is I was taking a little bit bigger size on my starters today. Just to attempt to scale up. Like I changed my button. It was 18. I changed it to 20. You can see just that little change. Everything, you know, my starters went from like $7, $8 to $10, $11. But everything just worked, so we didn't get any ads or anything today.
AVYA Avaya shares up 15% now at the high, 84 cents. Alpha Victor Yankee Alpha.
Hey, what's up, Gaines? Brayden is my son, addedly. Bray. Yeah, I respond. Hey, look, there's everything that you said. And This AXSM is moving pretty good.
Guess I should have longed it when I was thinking about shorting. Would have been $2 up.
BRUG, Bright Minds, continuing to move higher on heavy volume now, $1.84, up about 40%. Delta Romeo Uniform Golf,
No drop. There's a no.
Drug HTB.
Yeah, I'm pretty excited to scale
ABYA
up. This way of trading seems to be working pretty nicely.
Also up, daily is straight crap on the bottom of my shoe. Miss. Was hoping for $1 test. Should have just nibbled. Miss 2, wanted a little more. NEPT 110K.
NEPT, Neptune Wellness spiking here, $1.90. Company tweeting. Sprout secured several distribution gains with leading retailers including Target, Walmart, and major supermarket chains, and largest national pharmacy chain in the U.S. in 5,000 of their 9,900 doors. That from Neptune Wellness. Remember Echo Papa Tango. Shares of Neptune at $1.98, $2 now at the high, and continuing to spike here. That's the Rema Echo Papa Tango.
Fucking Napa jumpy fucker, huh?
Yep. Kano is back to high a day.
UK says monkeypox vaccines to be piloted in smaller but equally effective doses.
This NEPT feels like it is just going to get slammed. But it's like I'm not jumping in this early. If I have an order out, but it's in the 20s. But it feels like it doesn't want to get up there. It just keeps getting shoved down. There went Kano through the highs.
Yeah. Well, I want a little bit more. Preferably a little faster.
UK says under the
Really,
approach,
see it pop
eligible
through
people
580.
will be
I think
offered
that's gonna
0.1 milliliter dose of the smallpox Jynneos vaccine instead of the typical half a milliliter dose.
Whoever that big seller was, I think was also the big buyer sitting there at 2. Because it would not go through 2. That's funny. Crazy, you can just see somebody for what they are like that.
Yeah.
Like, hey, come here. Watch me hold this stock under 213. Like, it will not go through 213. And then watch me cover it all up too.
You got a fib line in 580s?
578. I should have taken it already, but I didn't.
LMFA, LM funding, hitting new highs now, $1.50.
Next gen order
more because of the
575. I said,
Order
no, I want
Shares
the
up
580.
9.5%. Lima Michael Foxtrot Alpha.
83K.
I'm gonna pay for it.
Passing, wanted 2.20s to try it.
Napped. Couldn't just go. Did you get it, Jag? No.
No. Chickened out again.
Yeah, I couldn't do it. I wanted to hit it bad, but I was like, I can't do it, dude. It just looks grindy.
Yeah, it wasn't moving fast enough. That's why I really wanted that 580. But my order, like I said, was 575. I just couldn't pull it. But it is what it is. I had a plan. I stuck to it.
Was Devin in short, Varu?
No, he was, unless he got back in, he was long in it. And then he came back down and he lost some money and then he got out. Then he left.
Oh, okay. Because that thing just fucking died.
Did it? Oh
Yeah,
yeah.
he was long. Oh yeah, that thing did die.
Yeah, because he was long around 9:45, and then It did that one
ERUG,
candle.
Bright
Well, so on the
Minds,
1 minute, it's a one
shares
candle
spiking
drop.
again here.
and he got out, and then it
$2.61 up
went
more
back
than
up and then just
100%
died.
now. That's Delta Romeo Uniform Golf.
Crazy ass stock drug. He just got pissy because he wasn't making money, which, I mean, I get.
Been there.
It's part of it. And it's definitely an emotion that you get when you're not winning money. And
Yep.
there's Nep trying again, but we're starting to get low on shares.
Kano is probably going to just slowly grind down.
How's it going, people?
You had 1026.
Just making money, bro.
Man,
You had 1026.
back
I
to
had
green.
1115. Oh, and he never even left. He actually just traded in silence.
Traded on
So I
my
don't-
own, yeah.
So I think we all lost on that one.
Well, we knew
I
what was
bet.
gonna
I
happen.
gotta be here. I got the painters coming today, so I can't really go to bed or anything. So I'm here, but
Did you short Varu?
yep, I'm still in Veru. Trying to be patient. I'm out above like 1728. It's gonna stop me out here pretty soon if it keeps going up. Hopefully it doesn't though. I think he has a lot of room down. What are you guys making money on? I don't see any new charts posted.
Nada slowed down.
We're just pulling a Devin.
Not
You guys-
posting charts.
Do you guys have shorts on GBNH?
I don't know. I gotta watch this. Somebody else has to look. Fucking A, dude. Are you kidding me?
Give me that.
GBNH.
Negative.
I'm gonna have to cut this bitch. Ah, that's annoying. Oh, give me a second. Oh, hey, okay. That was a nice turnaround. You didn't long your canoe? I was
Canoe
looking at
heavy.
your chart there. It went right up to the next fib line on what I drew out. I don't know.
No, I was
That
looking
matches
for a
what you
short on it, and I wanted to, and I didn't do it.
Yeah, 76 would have been the spot, bro.
Well, the first one I was looking at was the 60, like around 62, 562. I was going to short it
Oh,
there,
that's because you got the middle ones. I don't have those.
and I didn't do it. Well, that would have worked for a 15-cent gain. And
Yeah.
then I was watching it again, but it was moving so grindy and slow. I wanted 580 out of it. I wanted to
Gotcha.
have a top through 580, and it didn't do it.
Just
But
didn't give it to you.
No, and it's just because of the way it was trading. Otherwise, I would have done it.
That's why I took. That's why I took
PFE,
this thing
Pfizer, and
again. I waited
BioNTech,
for it to actually fucking
submit
set up instead
application
of
to the
FOMOing.
FDA
I think
for
today I was
emergency use
just. I'm not in
authorization
the greatest mood. I'm
for
tired.
Omicron BA4, BA5 adapted
And
bivalent
everybody's
COVID
getting trades off the bat, and I'm FOMOing, and
Papa Fox,
I
Echo,
gotta
Bravo,
fucking
November,
maybe meet
Tango,
you guys in the
X-ray.
morning. If I can't not FOMO, if it creates FOMO, I gotta cut it. You know. I'm not blaming you guys. I want you guys to call charts.
Well, it's just we
Just how
trade
it
a little
affects
different than
me.
you. That's all.
Just how I know, but it fucking gets in my head, and I'm like, I just gotta get in the fucking trade.
You gotta
And then I
remember,
just
it
take something
goes.
that hasn't fully set up.
Yeah, I mean, it goes the other way a lot sometimes too, where we're not getting
I know,
anything, and you're
Thomas
over
says
here
in the
like, "Oh, I'm at
afternoons, it's the
goal. I'm
same
2
shit.
times goal," and we're
Yeah.
like, "Yo, fuck."
No, I get it. I get it. I gotta control that.
Word, it's 10:30. Got them.
Oh, PDD spiked.
Oh fuck. I think normally I don't care as much, but today with the mood that I was in and being tired, I was just like, ugh. Sometimes it's gotta be stupid patient, man. Not always that. PDD.
Mm-hmm.
But it looks like shit. Through that area that we were talking about the first time, Tim.
Which
That
one?
area that we're like this by, and we're like when it gets above this, you know, we could see it moving, and it did. But it's back through it.
Yeah.
That 417,
And
416.
it gap down through it too.
Fucking devastating. I saw like an area, I was on Jag around like 410-ish that I could see it holding. But I don't know. But I can do whatever it wants, I guess. AXSM looks super bullish today, but I don't think I want to trade a grinder. I got these painters coming in about an hour. I might get them set up and eat something to take a nap. I think I had the delayed reaction to the fact that I just left my kid and 7.5 hours away too. I'm like, oh shit.
sure the first kid leaving home has something to do with it too.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I think that
It's the only time I
kinda
ever saw my
got
dad
me.
cry was when my brother left for the Navy.
Really?
The first kid out of the
I
house.
didn't cry up there. Like I haven't really cried. I got like, I felt sad, but I didn't cry because I was pretty prepared for it. But I think today was the day where I was like, holy shit, she's not here.
Yep. She wake up, it's not there, kind of sets in.
Yeah, like this is Monday. She's always here on Mondays, and I'm like, oh, odd.
She'd be proud she made it to college.
And I'm super proud, man. I said it to her mom because like we were one of the only parents that stuck around for like it's not an orientation, but it's like a welcoming party they have for all the freshmen because it's only freshmen up there now. And most of her friend parents had already left, but we were still there, and like all of her friends came over to her at the end of it, and we're there, and I'm like, Mom, I think we should go let them be adults now. And I'm like, this is kind of crazy, but we gotta go. And we walked off, and it kind of hit me in that moment. I'm like, all right, done, man. We gotta go.
Now it's a matter if they stay in. Seems kids nowadays don't stay in very long.
Yeah, I think she's in it to win it. She's that kind of kid, but obviously you gotta wait and see. She's one of those kids that finishes everything she does,
EDD up.
So I can't imagine her not doing it. Yeah, she's just a dedicated kid.
EDD.
Fucking Veru, man. Just fucking break down, bitch. I am trying to be patient with this because I really do see it has room, but it's so annoying. PDD.
Watching it.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
made a little bit on one, but I didn't get this drop because I'm an idiot.
Yeah, I was
wanted to.
hoping. I pulled it up.
There
It
it
was
goes.
already kind of doing it.
Through 17, fucking Veru's gonna go to at least 1640s or so. That's fucking fail, bitch. That's a nice little push here, dude, on PDD.
Mm-hmm.
I have fib lines to the downside, but it's going up through them now. I don't know how to trade these. I think that was the spot. I think you got it.
I'm in it.
Nice.
I'm out. I just don't trust it.
I fucked that up, but I made money on it.
Yeah, me too. Not as much as I wanted, but
In.
I was dealing with my son. Kind of messed with me there. Pulled it up, but
One day he's gonna leave and go to college.
I'm not really complaining. I mean, I only would have had a starter, so it's not like I would have been breaking the bank.
Enjoy it, Tim. It's funny. This has had like such a weird impact on me though, because now I got two other ones, and I'm like, I think I want to cherish them, but I want them just to go now too. I want to be done. I'm like, all right, I'm done. Can't do this anymore. PDD pushing back up, boys.
mm-hmm.
And no, it's not.
And it said sink. Well, not really, but
yeah, PDD is always a weird one.
it's always a fucky chart, man. I mean, that one's always difficult to trade, in my opinion.
Any PT back up through the highs.
And dude, Drew Jag's crazy 5 trillion lines on my chart. I don't like it. That's too many lines, bro. I don't even know which ones to get rid of, though. That's the hard part. I think I'm gonna get rid of that fucking 50 line. That shit is just too much. 550. I think it has room to 49.68.
Order filled.
Yep, that's the 161.
Hey, we're tied.
I started it there. That was a lot of volume. Looking for that to be kind of a fake out breakout. Just a nibble.
A 49.18, 49.20, something
Nibble.
like that.
That was a lot of volume on that candle, and it didn't really go higher, so.
$1.50-ish will be much better.
Before you get the push too, so. Pullback could be all the way down to 48.55.
Yeah, that's where my take profit is.
Make it 56, Tim. Make it 56.
Oh, it's at 61, but I just meant the general area.
Okay. Okay. Raise it up a penny. Make it 67.
I probably should.
Wherever your natural instinct is, make it a penny fucking higher, Tim.
It did that earlier too. It literally to the penny. It's so crazy how that happens. And it's not like because of my share size. There's no effing way.
Oh, no shit. Yeah, you're not doing it.
It's just crazy.
You're not like, oh, watch out for that 50 shares down there.
I think the one earlier, I literally only had 20.
Go wee, bitch.
You in it too, Holmes?
Yeah, for the second time.
Good luck, boys. I'm just chilling over here in my stupid Varu trade. Wait for it to go through 17.
This feels like one of those ones where I might get filled, but it's just, it could go all the way back down after I get out. And then I'll be sad. This Nept, I wish we had more shares on Nept.
Okay, you tried 49 again. Drop. Don't tap me.
NEPT
Don't tap
77K
me.
and dropping.
And it got me.
One that has a lot of room up today is AXSM, but I just don't have time to trade it.
Well, I was watching that. I'm like, I didn't like the
I think
spread.
it has a lot of room upside, but
Order
I
cancelled.
do not have time to devote
Like that
to
I'm
it.
not getting
so
filled
I'm not
there.
going to.
The shares are disappearing. I tried Nept at 237 there, but I was only asked a few times and didn't get filled, and I'm watching the shares just disappear, so I think I'm gonna pass on that one.
PDD. One higher.
Like to maybe get out of this Varu and do something faster, but
There's really not much going faster.
I know, that's what I'm saying. PDD and everything, maybe. Nope. Just having trouble getting the
Well, I
push
got
too, huh?
within 11 cents of my take profit before going back up.
Oh, you're selling this one?
AMTD,
Yeah.
AMTD Idea Group.
Hasn't really
getting some
given the
volume here
pullback.
off of
Yeah,
Michael
just a
Tango
SAR.
Delta.
Yeah. Figured.
55K.
I don't know what I gotta do with these fucking painters today. Said today they're just gonna wash and prep So I'm guessing no painting today.
Let's see what
I
this
shouldn't have
puts
to
us
do
at.
much.
48.97. Oh, jeez. So we're trying to get more than we're risking, and that was after it went higher.
Hey, I got the breakthrough. I'm gonna take off a little bit.
Yeah, this Nept is passing on
I'm taking
this.
off a little bit in case it just decides to hold the 17.
29K officially passing.
Got into this pretty heavy. And it's worked. It's just been super slow. I kind of want to get comfortable taking heavy positions in slow trades. They're like the ones that maybe I should take heavy positions. They're not risky. Like right now, I'm not afraid of this popping up, 60 cents and hurting me.
Kind of missed my ad here on PDD. I feel like I should have added there.
COST,
You did a little.
Costco, Investors Business
Yeah.
Daily Swing Trader removing its
Yeah, it's a weird
full
little.
position.
I
And
feel like I mean, I
Costco,
felt like I
Charlie
should have
Oscar,
added as
Sandy
it was
Tango.
dropping here on this candle. I just kind of wasn't paying attention.
Yeah. Gotcha. It's a decent little pullback there. I hate PDD. I like it when it's trending up or down, but right now I don't know what the fuck to do with that bullshit.
Of course, it's
PDD
coming
dollar.
right down to that same
Early
area.
Oscar Sandy Tango. Costco.
Carrot.
Automotive News reporting Ford CEO
What?
Jim Farley and
Doing-
Executive
whoa,
Chair
that's a
Bill Ford told
$500
employees
stock.
in a letter this
Never
morning the
mind.
automaker is eliminating 3,000 jobs globally.
I guess somebody is removing their
Order
That's
full
letter
cancelled.
F.
position on Costco, which is
Order
causing it
filled.
to come down.
Carrot.
All out of
But
PDD.
Costco is
Literally
also
went to
$550.
it went to 64. I was sitting at 61. Just the dollar drop and comes within 3 cents. But I took it off anyway. It's just crazy. I mean, you're right. I should just, wherever my instinct is, I should just put that shit a little higher.
Shares of Ford right now
Yeah,
off
throw it up
below
3
at
more cents, 4 more cents. Throw it up a nickel, dude.
$14.98.
Make sure you get
letter
fucking
F.
out. Give it a nickel. That's why I don't put out numbers though. Like I just, when I feel like I should take some off, I take it off, and I'm normally out on bottoms of
Kano
moves.
out B/E.
Just like you pick a top. I mean, you should be able to see the bottom. It's the same shit. I think I'm better at picking the bottoms than I am the tops.
Yeah. I'm actually kind of disappointed in myself there. I didn't get that ad. I've been getting that ad on the backside and I just didn't. I think part of me was, I don't know. I think it was just literally just because I was watching Nept. But I also think part of me too was I wasn't thinking about it because I just did that on Friday on Oxy. And I was kind of sad because it still hadn't really had a real pullback. But I added, so that was basically me saying, okay, this is the end of the trade if it goes back to the highs. And I feel like PDD could have done the same thing where it kind of just held support and went back to the highs again. And then I would have had to cut it. I feel like I need to get over that. Well, I was actually doing I was saying I'm doing a lot of I did a lot of thinking about that trade. All right, cool.
What trade?
And the Oxy trade that I made where I added to the backside, basically saying that's a cut it if it goes back to the highs. But it had 2 decent attempts at trying to pull back, but it never actually gave the pullback. So I was kind of mad at myself for not just letting it go back to the highs, even though I added. Like, I'm wondering if that's actually kind of a bad rule. You know, just because I made it a rule doesn't mean it's right. So I was like really thinking about that over the weekend, where just because I add thinking it's the backside and I add a little bit more size doesn't mean I have to cut. Yeah, just because it still hasn't had the pullback at that point. So if it wants to try to go higher, who cares? Like, that's part of the plan. If it were to keep doing that straight up and I were to add in those, like if I had 2 entries at those same areas, I wouldn't bat an eye. But just because it's on the backside or an attempt at the backside, it's like my whole thought process on it changes, where I think I need to kind of nix that. Damn, Thomas. Got a little shotgun action there on PDD's chart.
It's 2 trades.
See a lot of arrows.
Yeah, I started it the first time, I added at the top, I took profit once it went below, and then it tapped me out, came up and got me, and then I jumped back in when it broke through high day.
PDD
Took some
does know
off.
it. Sorry. Yeah.
No, you can see the rest. Took some off and then tapped me out again.
I was just going to say, PDD does know it can go through 60 now, right? Because I'm out. It keeps trying to hold it, acting like my order's still there. It's a glitch in the system.
Glitch in the matrix there.
Yeah. Is that DT making that noise? I know he can make that noise.
What? I don't make any noise.
That dripping noise.
I'm not hearing it at all.
What, Jag?
Are you feeding the fish, Jag?
Changing my fish. I'm cleaning the fish tank, so it's refilling right now. That's what it's the bubble moment.
No, it's not that. It's like a. You guys can't hear that?
No.
No.
No, sir.
The heck? Oh, it's Froggy's stream. Okay.
Oh.
There's water dripping in the back of Charlie.
Yeah, well, you know that noise that DT makes, where he's like that, like yeah, it was doing that. Yeah, that, and that's why I thought it was DT at first. I was gonna tell him it was really good because it was like a real one.
PDDLNT.
Charlie has a sink on behind him.
Yeah.
Charlie, fix your leak, bro.
Are you farting at me, loony?
Hell, I'm back to green, man. I think I'm gonna. Well, I mean, I'll stick around till 8:30 when this guy gets here, but.
Wish CD would have worked.
Trade in.
I've been looking. Nept would have worked.
That's that one.
Weird one though.
Nept.
Yeah, we were running out of shares on that one though, and it was just hanging out up there.
And SSR. Bunch of fun stuff.
Yeah, that's what happens when the market gaps down like this.
BTU still going up, but looks shitty.
There goes PDD. Could have got my extra 8 cents had I waited another 5 minutes.
Not like you had anything else to do.
True. I ate like such a fat ass this weekend. Oh my god. I have so much catching up to do. We went to a pool party on Saturday and they had this like hot sauce chicken pizza with blue cheese on it. Oh my god, it was so good. I'm pretty sure I ate 6 of the 8 slices and it was a large. But that was all I ate all day. But I also did drink like 5 beers as well.
You probably drink.
We went out to
lights
dinner
or something.
fucking Saturday, I think it was. Yeah, Saturday. Yeah, it was Saturday. And it's been a while since we've been out. Ordered the same thing we always ordered. And my wife's like, all right, I'm done with this. 3 people to eat, no drinks, $200.
What the fuck?
What? Where are
Is that
you
like
going?
a fine dining restaurant?
Yeah,
I
for
mean-
real. Drug and GR effects
We
might be of
had
interest.
2 dozen.
Drug, we have no
grilled
shares.
oysters,
I was watching that one
and
earlier.
we each had seafood combination plate.
Oh, why are you going up?
Same with
seafood
GR
for shit?
effects. It's a newer IPO. Usually don't have shares on those.
I mean, that's still super expensive, but
Dude, it never used to cost. It used to be $100. That's including tip. Now it's tip and all $200.
it's fucking crazy. I know, we say it all the time. Like, every time we eat out, we're like, what the fuck? This is just getting stupid.
We actually, so we sat down Friday night and started going over our budget and stuff like that. And that was another thing that we realized, like the price of eating out has been ridiculous. And even just the price of groceries has went up, you know, like
Price of
50%.
groceries is up.
Yeah. So, cause
And now you add on eating out and it's increasing.
Yeah.
It's just ridiculous.
Well, we usually buy like the same stuff every week, and like our Sam's Club bill would be like $100 a week, and lately it's been $150 a week, and it just adds, and we're buying the same stuff, and then like going, and the only time we really eat out is like on Friday nights, like we would go get pizza, and then like after swim class we would go, you know, get what they want to eat, and it was always the same thing, and we looked at that, and that's basically doubled. Like it's just ridiculous. I mean, we used to get a 36-pack of Coke Zero
SPRC
for
size
$8.88,
spiking here now,
and I'll never forget it because
Sandy
that we always
Papa
used to
Romeo
laugh
Chili.
because it was 888, and it was like that
shares
for
up right
over
now,
a
about
year.
13%
And
at
then,
the high. Sandy
what do you
Papa
think
Romeo
that same
Chili.
36-pack of Coke Zero is right now?
TSLA Tesla electric tweeting now.
What were you
Tesla
paying
says
before?
autopilot was preventing about
$8.88.
per day from wrong.
Now keep in
Tesla
mind,
drivers alone.
it hasn't been
Tesla sending
888 in
him
a long
alpha.
time. Like it's slowly crept up.
$15.
Yeah, there's $17 at our Sam's Club right now.
Damn.
Over
You don't
double.
drink soda.
Well, when it's $8.88 for 36 of them, that's really nothing. But now now it's like it went from like 20 cents a can to like 50 cents a can. It's a huge difference.
Yeah, for sure, man. That's crazy.
And then those Zevias that I was trying, I got those. It was
are
like
so expensive now.
Well, they already were kind of expensive.
Yeah.
Just because of what they are. But they were $16 for a 32 pack, and now they're $20. It was like the very next week. It like went up
I
$4.
used to just get the 12 packs, and they used to be like $6.50 for 12 of them, and now they're like $10, and I'm like,
Yeah.
$10 for 12 of these? Fuck that shit.
I looked them up on Amazon and I was like, they fucking nuts. They
Yeah,
ain't fucking
$1 a
shit.
piece. Yeah, they're $1 a piece on Amazon. Because I was looking at Amazon too because I wanted to try the different flavors, and I was like, I'm not paying $1 a piece. I'm just not doing it.
It's crazy, man.
Glad I don't buy any of that crap.
But anyways, the moral of my story was we decided to break out the crock pot, go through our freezer, which is always stupid full, our pantry, which is stupid full, and we're gonna
Make
try
stuff you
to we're gonna try to basically empty out the house. This Nept is trying to go again. I don't know if that would interest you long, Devin, if you get some kind of actual play on it, but we're pretty much out of shares, so this thing could kind of squeeze, and it's on SSR. A little cheaper though.
Got one back at like 320, 340, I guess. And I always
mean,
hate these, man.
it's
when
got
they
room to
ran a few days
55.
ago, and now they're, and when they ran a few days ago like this and came all the way back down, now they're running again. Now I think they're gonna get fucking slammed.
Well, they probably will, but as of late, these have been running a little further than usual.
Yeah. It's not something I normally look at.
We should try to trick Steve somehow and tell him that Pets is $8 right now, but in reality, it's just Pet without the Z.
Pets is really at $3.
Yeah, I think Nept might be done here. Look at that volume bar on the attempt to go higher.
Yeah, I saw that.
We're out of shares now too, so we can't even short it.
Yeah, 30 minutes and this homie should be here, and I gotta go out and talk to him and figure out that shit. I'm trying to get
NEPT
sleep
that volume on the
tonight.
fake out possibly.
Yeah.
Could be the top, right
For
when we
tomorrow.
run out of shares.
I won't even lie to him. Watch this.
You gonna say Pet?
He's gonna be so pissed. Because if he sees it, the first thing he's gonna do is log into his account, He's not gonna say anything here.
PET, Ware Group, spiking here on volume. Papa Echo Tango, PET.
Now Charlie's even talking about it. Eating out is 30-40% up minimum. Yeah.
FUB, Fubo,
Chicken
some
fit.
large
Yeah,
call
everything's going
activity
up.
now
FNTB.
in the
The Costco
weekly
experience the same. Yeah, it's ridiculous.
PET is
$4
big.
calls. That's Foxtrot
Yeah.
Uniform Bravo Oscar.
I'm sure it's not. What are you watching, Jack?
Is
Come
that
on,
shit
don't
with
hold out
4K
on me.
shares? Probably.
Nothing really. Nothing. I don't like anything right now.
I actually was watching SJ pre-market for a little bit, and he was getting crushed.
Yeah,
Not crushed, but he was losing. He kept losing on everything he was trading. Oh no, he's up right now.
is he? I know he made something on CGT. It went up like $3 for him or something like that.
Looks like it's GCT.
Oh, yeah,
Close.
That's it.
I guess he is kicking.
Yeah. Yeah, he's
It
up
was working,
1,400
and I
bucks
just
total.
cut it, but whatever. I'll watch that one go to where I thought it would. And say, fuck you, Varu.
Baru.
I think that thing's gonna tank down pretty far. I just didn't want to be in this going sideways forever.
Looks like that was the top on Nipt, at least for right now.
Volume's kind of shady, huh?
On Baru?
On everything.
Oh, yeah.
Overall, bro. I don't see anything moving real nice and smooth.
The SPY's definitely not helping.
Yeah. What's that doing, actually? Oh,
Kind of
shit.
interesting. Curious what that thing is going to end up doing. I can't
Yeah,
see
this-
it going all the way back down to 360 at this point. I mean, that would be crazy.
It would be. Not impossible.
I'm not
But it
saying
would be
it's
crazy.
impossible. I'm just, yeah, that would be pretty nuts.
It'd be a pretty big fucking swing. I'm gonna go get a yogurt, guys. I'll be right back.
So I used I had gotten HelloFresh back in the day a couple times. And I always get the come back, you know, you can get the same discount you got before, blah, blah, blah. Well, I just got a postcard in the mail from them, and it's like the same thing, but they actually have my name printed onto the card. Like, it's
Anthony
not just the
Fauci-
generic
Fauci
card that
says
they send
will
to
be stepping
everybody.
down from positions of director
From
of
who?
NIAID
From
and
HelloFresh?
chief of the NIAID
Yep.
That's like taking it a whole nother step.
Regulation, that in a statement now reported
They
by Reuters.
personalize that shit.
Yeah.
Like I mean, usually it's just a generic card, and they put your address and stuff like that on the,
Fauci says
the
will be
side. But
stepping down.
it literally
from
has, and it used
his,
volatility, I guess, because the
position
email
as
that I
the
used
chief
was
medical
for it.
advisor to President Biden.
I was like, holy crap. It's pretty insane. Kind of creepy.
Fauci says we'll be leaving the positions in December.
She is stepping down from being the chief medical advisor for Biden.
Who?
Fauci. He will no longer be Biden's doctor come December. He's probably like, I can't keep him alive any longer. Fuck.
It's all right.
Fauci says moving on
Paris Hilton
from
filed for
his
2
current
trademarks
position,
for
not
crypto
retiring.
NFTs.
Oh, perfect. That should go like hotcakes. Fauci says he's not retiring, though. He just isn't going to do that anymore.
You know, you're really silly, Devin.
Could you be more specific?
You're
Just-
silly, too.
He's repeating the Charlie news like 10, 15 seconds later when he could be listening to it from someone that's providing it to him in the room. It just makes me laugh that he'd rather open a browser and listen to it on a 10, 15 second delay on purpose. Just kind of makes me laugh, that's all. AKA, he's silly.
Silly guy. These guys, how slow everything's going right now is pretty pathetic. Uh-oh, dude. Might want to tell, Steve, Pet hit 820.
What?
Oh, snap.
Pet. Not pets, but pet.
Uncle D, do you hate Market Frog? 'Cause he thinks you do.
I don't know Market Frog.
Well, if you just keep saying you don't know Market Frog instead of trying to get to know him, how are you ever going to get
How
to
would I
know
get to
him?
know him? He never talks to us.
He talks every day in the chat.
You gave
Maybe-
him permission
maybe
to speak
he's
and
in
he
a
didn't
job.
Do it.
Maybe he's in a job where he can't speak.
Maybe he's mute.
Yeah, maybe he can't talk. What do you ever think about that, jerk?
Well, that would feel really bad.
What if he has a disability and this whole time you're just making fun of him?
Maybe he has one of those things to his neck and talks like a robot.
That would be awesome. I would appreciate that guy coming in here like, "Hello, people. I am going to trade today."
How about that Charlie guy?
We're so bad.
Oh, yeah, we are.
He's just been a smoker for a long time. I am Market Frog.
Yeah, that's why his name's Frog, because he sounds like a frog. Oh, damn it.
Rabbit, rabbit.
Bud.
You guys are horrible.
Why
That's
is...
at 8:32.
Arr.
Oh, Jag calling you bad. That's horrible.
That one of those. We love you anyway, bro.
Yeah, you're officially making it if we're making fun of you. How do you know you've made it in Volatility's Discord? You get made fun of all the time.
It's kind of pretty much in any Discord in life, period.
It's true.
It's funny how that works. Once you get to know somebody, you just start making fun of them.
I'm gonna try to turn a new leaf and just be kind to everybody.
I tried that. It didn't work.
Jag.
NVAX, Novavax, CDC
I tried that too,
recommends
but then I met
Novavax
you, Devin.
COVID-19 vaccine for adolescents.
did it
That's
too.
November Victor Alpha X-ray, NVAX.
See,
It's very-
I like to
Bro,
think
don't blame me.
the thing is, again, we've had this conversation before. We all talk the way we do and mess around and stuff like that. But at the end of the day, like we all, I am pretty positive, consider each other pretty good friends at this point.
I agree.
Not Devin.
Yeah, Devin's the weird. I
just
remember
all
the
my
recent
buddies.
conversation. Yeah, we're just colleagues.
I'm kidding. I love you guys.
Well, it's because you all have families. Who else should
CD
you
out
talk
all.
to?
Flat.
Right.
Well,
That's
yeah,
what
but DT,
happens.
you're that guy we're all gonna need when we finally get divorced, where we just say, "Hey, DT, I need somewhere to crash."
I'm not doing much these days, man.
Can you put this where those cats are?
Oh my god.
I don't even remember where they're at.
He's asking to help you bury a body, man.
That's Devin's job.
That's not a body barrier.
You're in Nevada.
So we could throw him in Lake Mead, but there's no water in that bitch anymore.
Didn't they recently have a flood?
The lake's still fucking empty. What's that?
Don't they find like a dead body a day in there now?
Yeah,
Something like that.
Water started draining, and they're like, "Oh, dead body! Oh, another one!
Like,
Another one!"
Like
I
there's
was listening to
there's-
something somewhere where there's 2 lakes or something that feeds that area, and they're just trying to save the one.
I'll pay attention.
I do not know.
The tornado touched down in Nevada last night, which was weird.
There was a cool tornado, water spout, but it like was way bigger than a water spout usually is down in Destin, Florida. It was
Yeah.
pretty cool looking. Hold on, let me just looking at it.
He said last night we were going to bed. We had flash flood warnings and a tornado warning. I'm like, what?
I think we were talking about Lake Powell. Lake Mead.
Yeah, there's the picture. Like a water spout's usually kind of tiny. That's not tiny.
Looks like it's from like a movie.
Yeah,
Yeah.
say that Instagram filter.
Well, look at the. I mean, you put some context to it. Look at the houses and or businesses right below it.
Fucking
Yeah.
real?
Yeah, it was real.
Yeah, that's Instagram.
It's not. That is crazy.
But those were popping up because we've been looking at vacationing there next year. So that's of course why it says suggested for you, and it's going based off the location.
Yeah,
I'll be there in November, December.
Oh, there's Steve.
Did you text him?
No, I just posted what I did earlier.
My pet is dying now.
Oh, we were just letting you know, pet is at $8.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say.
I'll be right back.
But
He
see,
just
I
gave
told
himself
you
a
he
false
would go
sense of
check
hope.
it. I told you he was gonna go check it.
Funny. Boop, boop, bee doop.
Everything's starting to slow down. Like big time.
Everything is already super slow.
Like all those strategies out there where they basically just watch for the first hour. Like, I don't get it. What do you do now? Like, what are you looking for? I mean, I guess they're just looking for trends, like Veru. You're gonna jump in that short, I guess. I don't know.
Not back. Anything good?
Nope.
Yeah.
Just talking about
Could've
how I
been
don't
up.
understand the people that wait past the first hour to trade.
All right. Stupid thing is, I would have been up like $150, $160. Instead, I'm $38 in the green because I took that first trade. Is what it is. Forcing shit. Damn, this slowed down like super though. Son
And
of W.
You know what's funny? You ever heard that saying, or ever thought of? I'm sure you have. That when you're having a conversation, say with your spouse, and I've heard it before, that somebody having the same conversation that you're having at the exact same time in the world. It's like, it's very possible. So with Tim, with his crock pot thing, we literally, you know, because we meal prep every weekend, either Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we meal prep for the whole week, and we utilize our crock pot. And I was telling my wife, we need to get another crock pot so we can literally put 2 meals to cooking on Saturday all day, and we're not standing in the kitchen cooking meals. Yeah, for a couple hours. We literally just, I found a recipe for garlic parmesan chicken breast. So it's basically going to be like boneless, what do you call that? Fucking chicken wings type meal.
Gotcha.
And that's what I cooked one of the meals for this week. So I was like, we need to get another crock pot so we can have 2 meals going. And then Tim brings up him and his wife looking for crock pots too.
We have 3 crock pots. They're all different sizes. Like one's more for like when it's just the 2 of us eating. One's for like party, like when we want to bring stuff, and the other one's for like when we were meal prepping, we could make stuff for the entire week for both of us. But yeah, my favorite recipes are what do they call them? The dump and goes. You don't have to like cook shit separate. You just literally dump the shit in there and let it go.
Yeah. That's what I did. Fucking chicken breast. I dumped the bottles of garlic parmesan wing sauce in the pot, put some cream cheese in there. Probably too many heaping tablespoons of chopped minced garlic and mozzarella cheese. Set it on high. 4 hours later, it is done.
Oh, you put the cheese in there when you start it?
Yeah, dump and go.
Wow, that's interesting. I don't think I've ever put cheese in before, like until the end, or I just mix it in.
And then my wife literally puts more cheese on top of it when she's done, because she's like y'all with this fucking cheese.
That sounds like a lot of garlic too, because you said the sauce has garlic on it too, or in it.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, that's I don't know. That sounds very like it sounds like it's gonna be really sweet. All that cheese and all that garlic.
I will find out here for lunch because that's what I brought today.
Rere. Riri. Volume sucks.
Rear 161K.
S&P futures back to 4160 now, down 71.50.
Oh man, I would like another trade.
Yeah, so here's the dump and go Thomas that I have that I'm getting ready to put in for dinner. It's chicken breast, minced garlic, pepper, salt, onion, chopped onion, obviously, chicken broth, cream of chicken soup, and then you can dump the rice in if you want to that, but I like to cook my rice separate since we have the rice cooker. Hold on. RVPH. And then at the end, I like to add the cheese and just mix it in. Pretty simple, but
Yeah.
it's just basically chicken and rice with some good flavor and cheesy. Simple, cheap, easy, tasteful. I'm actually excited. I told Amanda that I was gonna just start cooking hot dogs and beans again, and she was like, "Yeah, we could do that." And I was like, "Oh, all right." That's like one of my favorites. I love hot dogs and beans. I don't know what to do with this RVPH. Kind of volume out of nowhere. Plenty of shares. Spready, not a lot of volume. If it was back to $1, I'm not even thinking about it though. I'll tell you that.
You read it?
No, I wish I was. I don't even think. Oh, 111's the high. I was looking at the haul price is 115. I was like, I don't even
Dang,
think
missed
we
that.
had a chance to get 115. You didn't, because it never got that high.
Still just watching. Spready.
Man, I'm tired.
Yeah, I'm kind of hungry.
The garbage man, not the painter. Yep.
You must be painting outside, huh?
Painting the outside, yeah.
Yeah. It's the only time you wash and prep something.
Yeah. We're supposed to do this like
I've been
2 weeks
described
ago,
as
but
slow
because we all
before.
this rain, they're gonna keep having to put their jobs on hold, which I get.
You ever have hot dogs and potatoes? They're like potato chips. No? Hot dogs and potatoes? Have you guys ever had hot dogs and potatoes?
No, I have had hot dog spaghetti.
You ever had hot dogs and French fries? Come on.
Hot dogs with French fries, yes, separately. But Looney's saying the potatoes are cut like chips.
Scallop potatoes.
And it's all fried in a pan. That sounds interesting. You can make it with
It's
eggs
like,
for
I
breakfast.
think I want to eat.
Hot dog?
Sounds like you all need to eat.
I just say it. I just want to go to bed.
Go take a nap, dude.
Add some ranch. Jesus
I
Christ.
can't wait for the
I'm trying to
banter.
lose weight, man. I'm trying to gain it.
You don't need to talk to you. You're just gonna go set up outside and paint and watch.
No, I don't know what if he wants to talk to me when he gets here. I don't know what the deal is.
Well, there's the take profit on RVPH.
Should have taken it.
Well, I never really had a chance, to be honest. When it was up, it was at 106, 107.
Saudi minister says oil futures disconnect
I
may
wasn't
force
gonna take it
OPEC
that close to the
plus
dollar.
action.
If it would have got up to 115, I probably would have started it. That was also the hot price, though.
Crude getting a spike here now, 88.52.
Got two low volume, AR and RRC, both moving, but they are low on volume.
OPEC Plus may need to tighten
USA.
output to stabilize the market.
USA making a move.
USA 61K.
How does this make you laugh?
AR up. You mean 48K? 47 actually.
What is this one doing, Thomas? That was a move.
Yeah, it's just the volume, dude. RRC's the same way.
Oh, yeah. I'm assuming these are moving together. They kind of look similar. Charts look almost identical.
RRC also big co. They look to be moving off each other.
I had bacon wrapped hot dogs yesterday. No, that sounds
INDO, Indonesia
Take some
Energy getting a
laxatives
pop
every
here
time you
over
lose weight.
the
I mean,
OPEC headlines. Some spike in volume. That's Indian November Delta Oscar.
Indo. Yeah, actually, I have shares list. Okay. 1,000 shares. Good for your colon if you take too much. Yeah. I mean, these got to be moving for a reason. They definitely look like they're moving together.
Looking at
RRC and AR. And their charts are almost identical.
Oof. That does not. AR I've looked at before. RC I haven't looked at in a long time. I just don't feel like I want to short that RRC the way it's moving.
Are those natural gas things, I think, aren't they?
They both say resources.
I think they're natural gas. Russia's closing down a pipeline in 3 days to Europe.
I have natural gas sometimes.
I got a ton of it this morning. Ate too much pork yesterday.
RRC.
Sometimes it's unnatural gas. That's when it's really bad. I don't know what to do with this thing, dude. I'm not feeling the vibes.
I mean, they both.
Did you
I mean,
short it?
they're literally identical. No, I haven't yet. I'm still watching it though.
I don't really know what I'd be looking for. Really, I'm trying to figure out what I'd want it to do, but
I mean,
some of those
RRC, I'd want to see the 35 retest if I was in it, and AR, I'd want to see 4350.
I like AR better than RC for volume reasons, but and that's a stock I know at
same
least.
chart. There's literally the same chart.
Yeah, I understand there's more volume. That's it.
Yeah, all the news is about UK's price hikes and Russia shutting down pipelines and shit.
IDK.
RUN, Reunion Neuroscience shares were halted on a circuit breaker. Romeo Echo Uniform November.
Oh, jeez.
Is that what he said?
That attempt to go up was unimpressive.
Shares on nerve.
NERVNTB. Carrot.
CDEV is also another resource play.
It's another natural gas thing, yeah.
CDEV moving off RRC and AR.
That could be the one that's interesting though, because it's probably like more of a sympathy play. If it could get moving.
Get it. You didn't do anything with any of those, did you, Thomas?
Yeah, I mean, I said it a little while ago. I was in AR.
Oh, you got in there.
Order filled.
Why I didn't hear that? Well, there you go. It's pulling back. Hopefully you got in near the highs.
Took a little backside entry. Looking for the 35 retest. RRC.
CDEV. Oh. So Thomas has got a pretty decent pullback there. I should probably move my car into the garage. I'll be back, guys. I'm gonna move my car before they get here.
Oh, these are slow. These are super slow, huh?
Yeah, it won't even fill me. Now fill me. I fucking got slippage, you piece of shit. My stop was at 59. And I got filled
REUN
at
resuming
62.
trade now.
For EUN? Oh, that's all right.
Order cancelled.
Was quite the shot up there.
We are back up.
About to get stopped out if it goes to the highest. Looks like it's going to. It follows the other one.
Order filled.
Yep, all out.
Out RRC small loss.
Actually, I'm almost too tired to even think about trading this shit, man. Oxy's trying to move too with all this bullshit.
He's just sleep deprived.
Yeah, I'm on drugs.
Order filled.
I think I took the wrong one. I was supposed to do the cocaine. Not the pills. JK, JK. Don't do any drugs.
You're gonna fake me out again?
That would
That
have
one's
popped a little
gone
higher.
down.
I might have tried to trade it. Yeah. No continuation.
This one seems to be lagging behind the other one. But the other one was starting to go. There we go.
S&P futures are moving a bit higher now. 41.6325, down 68.25.
Then I messed the AR up. That was the first one of the day.
ConocoPhillips, ticker COP. The 109 calls coming in on the ask, expiring this week, approximately $50,000 worth. That's ticker COP. The 109 calls coming in on the ask, expiring this week.
Slow. So slow.
What does it mean when a call expires or something?
No clue.
Me either.
Uh,
They always announce that stuff, and I'm like, oh, coal's expiring. That's cool.
Trying to go back up. Yeah, see, when the other one goes up, this one tends to go up a little easier. But when the other one was going down, AR, what I'm talking about, this one didn't seem to want to go down as much. But now this one's actually trying to go back down.
There's severe boredom going on in this market right now, guys.
Order filled.
Am I missing anything?
Interesting.
Get the ad in right before it
The
goes.
AR popped up, but it wasn't gorgeous.
Probably gonna get some slippage too because of the $50, but I'm gonna put it on the other
AR
side of
and
the
RRC
$50.
look just about identical.
Yeah, we're pretty sure they are. Yep. Get the ad right before it goes higher just to lose a little bit more. Now this one's trying to go high a day and the other one's not even close. Right. Kind of frustrating. Oh, gave some back. Walking out of the casino.
Order filled.
Yeah, we actually got filled at 51.
Out again. Done with it?
Alright, I'm done messing with that one.
What are you doing trading that grinder?
I mean, the first one wasn't bad. I got in the backside, took the small loss, and then it looked like it was going to be a fake out. So I tried it again, you know, the old 83% rule.
Oh, okay, so you
And I just didn't
Hello, motherfucker.
Yeah, I was out completely. I just got back in looking for it to be a fake out. It's kind of annoying because they look like they were doing exactly the same thing, but AR didn't even get close to the highs again, and this one went higher. So I was annoyed.
Oh shit! All right.
And no,
You're
we
an
didn't have
RRC.
shares.
I was an AR.
Yeah. I mean, they're essentially doing the same thing, but RRC seems to be trying to do more for some reason. Which, now that I'm quote unquote done with it, it'll probably work out.
I'll be right back. My dog's going crazy.
speed of the cock plays, yeah. Not a huge fan. Fuck. Looked away. Yeah, of course. Fuck my life. I wanted to get in there at 50 and I fucking looked away like an idiot.
Ticker SJT. You have the $15 calls coming in on the ask, expiring January 20th of 2023, over $1 million worth. That's ticker SJT. $15 calls coming in on the ask, expiring January 20th of 2023, approximately over $1 million
Yeah, of
worth.
course.
Alright, yeah, I'm just gonna be done. That's ridiculous. Never fails. Never fucking fails.
And David's probably over there just add.
Well, the charts don't look the same anymore, I'll tell you that. AR definitely looks like it wants to go lower, and RRC is just like, no, I don't want to yet.
Yeah, and what's up with that fucking gap down candle, huh?
Yeah, that's just how slow it is.
TPRX, Catalyst Pharma, getting a pop here to the highs on volume. Charlie Papa Romeo X-ray.
Order
I was
filled.
about to key to Mike and said, I want to hit it right there. Risking the 55.
I'm so bored. I'm not letting this go back up through 43 it was, whatever that previous candle was. I just saw AR trying to go even lower. Thought this might try to follow it. Maybe give us that 35 test.
U.S. State Department spokesperson says U.S. warned the Russian ambassador last week against escalation of the Ukraine war. Called on Russia to cease military operations at or near the Zaporizhia nuclear plant.
CPRX miss.
He's never on the scanner.
Yeah, I don't remember seeing that. CABA, C-A-B-A.
ARLP, a new buy from Louis Navalier. Alfa Romeo Lima Papa. Also buys from on Louis Navalier for CECE. And CPRX.
CABA up.
I saw that spike in Catalyst shares.
RRC dollar.
Order cancelled. Order filled.
Yes. Yeah. What do you want? I think we were gonna go on a walk real quick if you want to. Just like up the street. Take Tucker with us. Just to go on a walk? Well, go ask mommy if she's ready to make you something. Hmm? After the walk and after we eat.
What up?
Watching CABA if it wants to go a little silly.
Carrot LNT.
BA.
Kaba, the cheapo.
Yeah, let's see it. Got the painter guys out there set up. And dogs kind of fucking ape shit bananas. Which is gonna drive me crazy. They're gonna be here for a few days, so I'm hoping he chills out with this.
Order filled.
Come here, Arthur. Come here, boy. I got a treat. Okay. Where you feel?
See if this isn't one that can come all the way back down. What a messed up chart. Tried to get all fancy with it when I think it threw me off mentally because of the backside attempt at a start, where if I would have started this on the front side, I would have been like, oh, we still haven't got the pullback. Oh, we still haven't got the pullback. Like I would have been waiting patiently. But because I tried starting on the backside, it like, I don't know, like I feel like I just traded it completely different.
Not for me.
While I was watching, I was really hoping for a lot more, especially when the halt price jumped up towards $2. I was hoping to get like a bigger move.
Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo said new 14-inch and 16-inch MacBook Pro with new processors will enter mass production in Q4. All right. That's Alpha Papa Lima.
Carlos, thanks for the sub, man. On YouTube. Appreciate it. All right, guys. I'm just gonna kind of trail this one out. But I'm gonna go eat, and I think we're gonna take the dog on a walk and whatnot. So I am going to out of here. I will send you guys over to SJ. Appreciate you being here. Don't forget to go over to YouTube and subscribe there. I am slowly kind of transitioning my way off of Twitch, basically just on Twitch until I get that last payout, and then I will be back over to YouTube full time. So if you want to keep watching, feel free to head over there. You can even start watching me over there now if you want, just to kind of get used to it. And yeah, that's all I got. I mean, a decent Monday, I guess, around $50. Whether depends on what the rest of our RC is, but kind of annoying one. And yep, that's all I got. I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.
Yeah, you guys here?
Yep.
Fuck. I totally knew they were gonna get here and I was gonna have to do shit. It should be good now. Hey,